So you should be doing this exercise to improve your one handstand, on the boss. But this is for those who can do handstand. You need to hold the bar like this, and then try to touch, with your toes. Slowly. Try to find a balance. Yeah. Or you can even hold it like this. Yeah. Hold it to work on your shoulder. Yeah. At least hold it like 20 to 30 seconds. Just hold it like this to prepare your shoulder for the one handstand on the bosu. We are going to try against the wall. So that one also helps. It helps you to find the balance and also to get stronger. So we are going to try against the wall. And also, if you can't do it without the bar, at least you have to try to hold the bar on your right hand. So if you can't do it without without the bar, you should be doing this. Try to engage, slow by slow. Just try to touch it with your toes, or how you put it. Then open your legs wide. Nice. You should be doing this also. It improves your strength, and also it's easy to find the balance. So you should be doing this exercise. Trust me.